Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to our video. As you can see, Zach's in there, ready, GoPro mounted, because today, thanks aeroplane, see you later EasyJet. Today we're going to race between the two of us, see who's actually going to win. I'm not massively confident that I am going to win. I have said this before and I genuinely believe that he's going to win, but we're going to have some fun with it, aren't we? So let's get our carts at the top, get them up there, and let's see how it goes. Right, let's go. You're right there, child Stig.
Who?
Don't worry about it. Struggling there.
I've got a helmet on, it makes my head more bobbly.
Well, yeah, obviously. The two mighty carts, head to head. So if you are new and you don't know these two, go check out top right. I'll put a link to the builds. This one is the Cadet kart running the clone, the Wiltec. Big shout out to Wiltec providing both these engines. This is the Wiltec 6.5 horsepower GX 200 clone. This is the 9 horsepower GX 270 clone. I'll put a link in the description to those engines. So there's not much in it in terms of power output. That one's slightly less, but as you can see, this one's massively bigger, and I am obviously massively bigger. So they're running the same clutch as well. Cheap eBay jobby. Yeah, it's fairly even really, but I think you've got the weight advantage massively. Sort of what we're going to do. This is a private road, and there's nothing down there apart from the airport. And it's Sunday. There's nothing here, so there's nothing there. So we'll start up at this end, and we will race down here. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I really need to bleed my brakes, but.
Yeah, I was just about to say, don't we need...
Your brakes are perfect, mine aren't.
Yeah, mine are the best.
I mean, there's a bit of runoff, I might just end up in the field.
But either way, you'll be fine.
Cheers, thanks.
You got a helmet on.
I will have, yeah. Great, so should we get them warmed up and down at the starting line and see if we can take some shots? I reckon we should do it from that zebra crossing down there, don't you think?
And like go all the way back down there?
Yeah, and then go back down this way.
Cool.
And we'll put I think this should be the finish line, because this gives me, I mean, it's plenty long enough-ish, but we need...
I think all the way till it gets off the tarmac, that should be the finish line.
The reason I don't want to make it down there is because I need a long distance to stop. So we need to have something like on the road.
Oh yeah, because if
that's the finish line, I won't let off the accelerator until I hit the fence, which isn't ideal. So we need to... So what we need to do... Yeah, I think passing this lamppost will be a perfect kind of...
I'll get some chalk and we can draw the line.
We could do. We'll try one of these stones. I'm sure we can do it. Let's try and make a line anyway somewhere. Let's try and get that sorted. That's it. Keep it up. Good job.
I feel like I'm mopping a floor with a rock.
Oh, you would never do that, you lazy troll.
Yeah.
Come on. Good job. I mean, I probably won't see it from driving, but at least it's a good... We know where it is.
Yeah.
Perfect. Keep on going.
My arm's getting tired.
That's because you don't do enough manual labour.
Oi.
Nope. Definitely.
It's the rock.
Definitely your go. I'm moving the go-karts.
You keep making it worse, and now we got a situation a surprise. You hide in shadows like you're famous, but you made your bed and now it's time to lie. And I'm gonna make it hurt when I take my turn. Gonna let it all burn until there's nothing left. Let it all burn until the bitter end. Let it all burn for what you've done and said. Let it all burn. Let it all. I'm gonna let it all burn. You've passed the point of no return as ashes fall on tortured earth. Don't look back, there's nowhere left to turn. You crossed the line, wrote your curse. The match has struck, your sentence served, and no white flag will change my final word. I'm gonna let it all burn. Let it all burn. Let it all burn until there's nothing left. Let it all burn until the bitter end. Let it all burn.
So who won, Zach?
Me?
We did it a few times as well. Who won every time?
Me?
Is that a sad thing?
No?
I think it's very sad.
I think it's sad that you've got a ginormous hunk of metal. That's you even got yourself a new exhaust, a new
Look,
filter.
look. What's really letting me down is my weight, and I tell you why. Because when I put my foot on the accelerator, it takes ages for me to. The acceleration takes ages to get
I
going,
just go straight.
and you just go because you've got no weight, so you're just off. So what I really need, I need like a torque converter that will basically make me fly quicker, because I weigh too much. If it was no,
I'm gonna destroy you every time, no matter what.
look, if it was a race around a track,
I would still win.
no, I'd win because
What do you
I'm
do?
just faster than you. But
No,
that's once I get up to speed. The thing that this and myself struggle with is getting up to speed because I weigh 7 metric tons. We've ascertained this is a problem. Yeah, I got absolutely smashed, really.
If it was around a track, if I went full throttle, I would still beat you.
Well, no, because you'd still have to slow down for the corners and stuff. I'd just be fast around the bends. And
First of all, you would have to have brakes. So.
yeah, okay, one thing, I still don't have very good brakes. So I need to sort that out because they are pretty
To be honest,
shocking. It means what we have to do now is make sure these are all running well, fix anything that needs doing. I need to sort my brakes out. I need to find a way of making it quicker off the line so I can beat you.
Which is never going to happen.
Oh, yeah, right, well, maybe. I reckon it will.
You didn't even need a new exhaust.
Oh, whatever. It just means I need more power, so sod the mods to that one. It just means that I need more power to that one. So what's next for this one? Yeah, bigger jet. I reckon just new everything. I think that'll make it faster.
Yeah.
But I do need to get the power down. Torque converter probably won't fit in that little gap because it's too...
Which little gap?
Well, where the clutch is.
Yeah.
Where the clutch is. So we'll have to find a solution.
Is it normal that between the seat and the clutch there's no space? Is that normal?
Well, no, but these engines aren't supposed to run on these carts.
Oh.
Like
Is
these
that
are
like
supposed
that?
These are supposed to have 2-stroke engines on.
So is that car meant to be like on this car? I mean that
No.
engine on this car?
No, they're supposed to have 2-stroke engines, which are really small, and so you don't have any issues with the space. But we obviously put these Wiltec engines on instead because we thought it would be
Why the hell
fun.
not?
Because we thought it'd be fun.
Yeah.
But I mean, we've been disturbing the peace enough for a Sunday. In France, there are rules that
Oh,
you're not
yeah.
supposed to. You're not supposed to
But it was a Sunday.
make noise on a Sunday. But
Yeah.
we're in a special zone, so I'm sure
Like,
no one will complain.
We're in a non-industrial area.
Well, no, and we are actually in a bit of an industrial area. But I do apologise, neighbours, if you're watching this. You're probably not, but
Because you're French.
well, they might do, maybe.
Maybe.
Anyway, I apologise, neighbours. But yeah, next time I need to sort out making it faster. But I think next time as well, one of the things we are really trying to do is I'd like to buy a new car. We also want to get a tow bar on the Evoque so we can take these things in a trailer to the actual track, because then
Because that's fun, and so I can beat him again and just prove that.
you're going to get hammered. But in the meantime, before we do that... Oh, Jesus, that helmet's made me sweaty.
It hasn't made me sweaty.
Well, whatever, it's warm out.
It's not.
Before we do that, what we're going to do is actually Paul and myself are talking about taking you guys to the kart track and renting karts. So
Hell yeah.
not just taking these, but before we get these to the track, going just the track in general,
Yeah.
using their karts, and then
That'd
you
be
can get a
fun.
bit of practice racing a
around the
different kart as well, and then see what it's like
We're gonna
compared to ours.
see. I'm gonna be able to know what it's like to be in a good kart. A well-made kart, I mean.
I don't even know. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching me
Leave
get
a
beaten.
like, comment and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when there is a new go-kart video and when I'm gonna hammer him at the race.
Shut up, Sam.
Well, I don't need the agitation. You keep making it worse. And now we got a situation.